Let's talk about the difference between a consumer credit report and a mortgage lender credit report or residential mortgage credit report. We get a lot of clients that talk to us or are disappointed when we pull their credit report and say, hey, something's wrong with your report. My score was higher. I just checked it a week ago. It was 720 and you have 675 or 680 or worse. It doesn't mean that that report that you pulled is wrong. It just means that ours is different. We use a more detailed report. It goes a lot further back on your history. So even accounts that are closed kind of make up that report, whereas the consumer reports kind of go just based on your trended data, how you're using your credit now, whatever. So if you have maybe a bankruptcy or something, or you had late payments back in the last 24 months, those would be counted against you more on a mortgage credit report. It looks at a longer term history because you're applying for a longer term loan. You're looking at like you're looking at a VantageScore or my FICO score, where we're looking at a FICO 2 score, 4 or 5. It's an older version, and you're still going to use that older version with mortgage credit reports because it's what the banks are basing on their credit decisions on. So the biggest thing is don't be upset about it. But if you want to get a score that is closer to what we're going to be looking at, you probably want a good tip would be to check FICO scores 2, 4, and 5, like on myfico.com. It's usually a lot closer. So even though the stuff that your bank is giving you and the credit card is giving you isn't necessarily wrong, it's not going to be the same exact score that we get when we pull our credit reports. So if you have any other questions on this, or you want to see what your tri-merge report is, and if you're ready to get pre-qualified, just let us know. But don't, get upset when you see the difference between what your mortgage lender gives you and what you're pulling on your credit report on a daily basis. Got more questions? Give us a call, 404-461-3172, or check me out at reggiegrahamhomeloans.com. Have a good day.